I have a photo shoot because I have Novocaine that I'm coming down.
You have Novocaine? Hi, my name is Jeff Stonick. This video is a exercise in play. That is it. I got this yesterday, the Profoto Connect Pro. It communicates with Leica cameras, and so I'm able to finally use this Profoto D2 500 Air TTL, if that's important to you, flash with my Monochrom Q2. And so every Tuesday I shoot at Comedy Works for their new talent night. It's kind of the buzziest night of the week as far as the backstage area. It's got the most comics there performing, and so I thought it'd be fun to just set up, do some headshots, and before the show started. And that's what we did. I hope you enjoy these monochrome snapshots of an evening at Comedy Works, the world famous Comedy Works, downtown Denver. And, you know, get to meet some of the local comedy scene. They're my favorite people. Thanks for watching. Right here. Yeah.
So behind this.
Yeah. All right. Let's check it.
Look down the lens.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
This is so nice.
Me?
Yeah.
You want me to come up?
Yeah.
Sure.
Let me get it. I'm just doing free black and white portraits for people. Right here. Perfect.
Cool. Can I get a freaky one?
Come a little closer, actually. Yeah.
Okay. Do a freaky one.
Yeah. Nice. Freaky one. Yeah, there we go. 3, 2. Yeah, I like that.
I always remember whenever I don't smile, I'm all sad.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Want yours?
Yes, please.
Let's do it, dude.
What do you want?
Yeah, that's perfect right there. Dip the chin a little bit. And then get the focus right. Turn your head a little bit this way. Look down a little, yeah, there you go.
Fucking amazing.
Yeah, dude.
Best picture I've taken in years.
Fuck yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, you bet. Let's do dip it a little more. And turn your head a little bit this way. Yeah, there it is. Nice, yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, you bet, yeah. Free portrait?
Do you want me to?
Do you want? Let's get you a little right here. Yeah. Dip the chin a little bit. There we go. Nice.
Bill Matt, that's the.
I like that. Yeah. Let's see what goes with the brim of that hat. Oh, nice. Strong. Yeah. Fuck yeah. I'll send it to you. Yeah, you bet. Yeah. I want to do this one a little closer than this is macro mode. So I'm close up, but it's a wide lens. Nice. I want to see how this looks too. Woo. That's nice. Put the flash behind you.
Very specific words and specific orders. It's like a little halo.
Yeah. For the angel that you are.
Have I stand just looking to the side?
Sure, yeah. I like that. That's good. Where's my flash? Did it flash?
I didn't see anything.
There we go. That's great. New backdrop. Nice. 3, 2. Nice. Let's see. Yeah. Excellent. Where are we at there? Okay. Yeah. A little lower. No. Well, hopefully not. You might be the first. 3, 2. Alright. Yeah, you look right down here. Dip your chin a little bit. Nice. 3, 2. Yeah.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
I like that light, super dramatic.
Yeah. Hey, dude. Complimentary headshot?
Complimentary.
Black and white. I got a new toy today, so I want to do them.
Should I just stand here?
Yeah. Yes, perfect. Stick your chin out and dip it a little bit.
Thanks, John.
Yeah. Quentin, perfect timing.
Oh, perfect.
Complimentary free headshot?
Sure. Yeah.
Complimentary black and white?
Yeah.
Complimentary free is redundant. Hold it against your heart. Let's do one like that. You know, you give me the option. I'm going to say hold it against your heart. Crack a big ass smile. All right, headshots are over. I'll just get some environment.
Wait. Can I have a photo shoot because I have Novocaine that I'm coming down
You have
from?
Novocaine right now? Okay, yeah, absolutely. That's the best.
That's what journalism is about. Yeah, that one's really bad.
That's like very obvious. We're just getting atmosphere,
Wait, will you get one of me trying to drink out of a straw?
Yeah.
It's really awesome.
Yeah. Can you go right here?
Wait, can you be in the back?
Oh, I think I got a dribble. Oh, I got the dribble, dude.
Look how fucking focused I look.
I got the dribble.
Apropos on Nuggets night.
Michael, let me get you.
Let me get you.
Nice. Oh.
Dude,
Kelsey. Gotta come over the flash. All right, hold on. Fine, I'll turn it.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. 3, 2. Nice.
Did you get me in the back?
Yeah. Wait, what?
See me in the back?
No. Look at this flash though.
Oh, yeah, you did get me in the back.
Oh, I did. Yeah. Yes.
All right.
Oh, Andres, can I get you? This is the host of the night. Can I get you right here? The host of New Talent Night. Dip your chin a little bit. No, other way. Oh, yeah. 3, 2. Oh, I love that. Man realizes flash is there.
Yeah. I was like, what the fuck's he care about that?
Yeah.
I piece it together.
Yeah. What up, dude? What up? Can I get your free complimentary headshot?
Oh, yeah.
One more. 3, 2, and then a little bit this way. Yeah. 3, 2, nice.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, dude.
Okay, good. How you been, bud?
Hell yeah, dude.
But still,
Way to work your magic. This is Austin Langley, the host of Roast Battle. I'm doing content and right now. 3, 2, 1. No, look in the camera. Nice. All right.
Ooh, I like that. Ew.